I'm on the mainland today because I've had to go to a funeral this morning and dealt with that, and I just wanted to show you this fantastic view of Errands. So, Errands in the sunshine. What can I tell you? Very pretty. So that is the Caledonian Isles. And I'm going over to the supermarket next to the ferry terminal to get a few essentials before I go back. No big shop, because it looks as if our date for the 13th is actually happening. Although I haven't had confirmation of that, but I'm waiting for that today. And that will be a huge weight off my mind. So you might get a further update in this video. It's certainly an impressive piece of engineering. Good old Cali Isles. And we're leaving Ardrossan. In case you don't know Ardrossan, nice wee harbour marina there. We're obviously going out to sea. And that's where we're heading. You couldn't ask for a nicer day, actually. A couple of wee boats out there. Ailsa Craig in the distance. Lovely when it's like this. Well, it's Sunday morning, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day. I was hoping to have some wonderful news for you, to say, yes, the house sale is all complete, we're good to go. But I can't say that because we still haven't concluded missives. Apparently we're just waiting for the agreed contract from the buyers of our house. I'm beginning to wonder, you know, somebody's telling porky somewhere, and I pay lawyers an awful lot of money to give me solutions and not problems, and to be frank, this experience has not been good. But I'm hoping, if there is a video next week, that we will be in Dumfries, because today is Sunday and we are supposedly moving on Wednesday. So yes, it is stressful. I'm kind of getting to the conclusion that I think we're moving anyway. I've booked the ferry for me, John and the dogs, and I've booked our one night hotel stay down there. And I'm just at that stage now that, God, I really wish this was all over. Going to be one of the best views in the world. It's mine for a little bit longer. not a breath of wind this morning. And visitors to Arran will no doubt be delighted to know that the Midges are back. Not too many, but beginning to make their appearance felt. So, if you're going anywhere on the west coast of Scotland from now on, I suggest you consider a midge repellent. Personally, I use Smidge, but if you don't want those nasty bumps and itching, I'd consider it. So, because it's Sunday, and we've got hardly any food in the house, and we fancied a wee treat, we're here at Fran's Tea Room for Sunday lunch. So if you're in Arran and you're in North Island, go along to Fran's Tea Room in Sannox. Brilliant service, great price, and a fantastic menu, which I'll share. It's just as well the dogs aren't here. So that is the pork. That is the beef. That's a lot of beef.
That's no beef, yeah.
How lovely.
Very nice, actually. Put it on the quarry.
So this wee otter that we're watching is feeding in the kelp bed. See if you can spot it. And we've come out just with the phone, not a proper camera, but
Find all these things when we're going home.
so you want to know where we are? Well, North Island, near to the Fallen Rocks, and you'll need to look that up. But we're just off a little footpath. Still eating.